In this tutorial, we'll explore the features available within meetings, how they can be used during the meeting creation process, and their purpose. Let's dive in. After creating a meeting from the Create Meeting page, once you click the Create button, you'll be directed to the meeting page. This page is divided into two sections. Left panel. Here you can view the meeting details, including the organizer, attendees, and additional information. Right panel. This displays the meeting name, start date, and status, indicating whether the meeting is scheduled or in draft mode. Below these details, you'll see two default sections. Agenda section. You can add the agenda for the meeting here. Action items section. Use the plus button to add action items. This will create a sample action item. You can later edit and add more action items to the section. Note, only one action item section is available per meeting, but you can organize your action items into groups. To explore more sections available for the meeting, click the plus button at the end of the meeting page. A pop-up will appear showing the available sections. These include General, Notepad, Pulse, OKRs, KPIs, Questions. Additionally, you might see Salesforce object sections such as Account, Opportunity, etc. These sections are available based on your administrator's activation of Salesforce objects in meetings. Check out the tutorial on how to activate Salesforce objects for meetings in the Meeting Admin tutorials. Now, let's look at how to add sections to your meeting. To do so, simply click on the section you want from the pop-up. First, let's add the General section. Click on the General section icon, and it will be added to the meeting. You can edit the section label as needed and add items below it. Similarly, you can add other sections to the meeting. Let's review the purpose of each section. Notepad section. Adding this section will include a notepad where the organizer and attendees can enter details or any additional information. Pulse section. By adding this, attendees can rate their opinion about the meeting. OKR section. Once added, click the plus button. A search option will appear, allowing you to find OKRs by name and add them to the meeting. KPI section. This works the same way as the OKR section, allowing you to add KPIs to the meeting. Question section. Using this section, you can add questions to the meeting. Questions can be answered by attendees either during the meeting or before the meeting if check-in is enabled. The answers can be viewed by the organizer on the meeting page in the Responses menu located in the left panel. Next, let's add a Salesforce object section to the meeting. For this example, choose the Opportunity object. Click on the Opportunity icon from the pop-up, and it will be added to the meeting. You can add opportunities to this section either manually or by using filter conditions. To add opportunities manually, click the plus button. A pop-up will appear where you can search for the opportunity by name and add it to the meeting. To use a filter condition, enable the toggle button before the plus button. This will show the filter icon next to the toggle. Click on the filter icon, set your filter conditions, and save them. Once the filter is set, you can use the down arrow button to add the opportunities to the meeting that match the saved filter. This is how you can bring opportunities into the meeting. Similarly, other Salesforce object sections can be added based on the meeting's requirements. For more detailed tutorials on meetings and their features, check out our other tutorial videos.